This 2018 Forest River Cedar Creek Silverback 29RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mount Clemens, Michigan, 48043 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 67 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.